Yeah, what's up, diggers? Filming my intro in the car because it's going to be 40-mile-an-hour winds and it's going to rain a lot, so I thought I'd do it in the car. So I'm not sure if you'll hear me later. If you don't hear me, I'll overdub it with like a 70s martial arts movie. It'd be cool. Alright, if I find anything, I'll let you know. Ta-ta! Something. So far I found £1.20 in a bit of foil. I'm not sure I'm going to last much longer here because it's chuffing freezing and it's chucking it down. What is that? So a halfpenny? Hang on. Right, let's just give that a bit of a rub. Yeah, there he is. George V. Right, let's carry on. Just a little bit down from where I found that halfpenny. There's something else here. Oh, what's that? Oh, it's a washer. Oh, the flip. Oh, God. Okay. Massive knob. This is a definite signal. Good XY screen, nice and high. Also giving me 87, I think. Let's pinpoint it. About there. Right, let's get it out. Just had this up. It was a very scratchy signal. I don't know what that is. Funny little thing. Yeah, I don't know, I'll clean it up, I'll show you a picture. Weird. This is pretty. I don't know what it is. Maybe it's off a bit of furniture or something, or maybe it's something to do with that other thing I just found a minute ago. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. This gave me quite a medium tone actually. It was a definite signal. So let's have a look at what it is. Just popped it out. Looks about halfpenny size really. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to get much of that. Much off that. Yeah, probably a halfpenny. I'll clean it up, I'll show you a picture. Alright, I've been going low and slow for a while now, finding absolutely stuff all, and that ain't much better. It's a button. No shank, just a boring blank button. Yeah. Right, this is another day. Welcome back. I'm going to change tactics because I feel like I've not had much luck lately apart from that William III sixpence. So I'm putting a 13-inch coil on. I'm going to go down the frequencies, maybe to 11 or 7, and see how it goes. Yeah, nothing so far, but just found this bit of clay pipe on the floor. There's quite a lot of little bits of pottery and stuff around here, so I'm hopeful, but it's quiet apart from bits of iron and crap. Yeah, let's carry on. At last, a big loud signal, not a really high tone, but clearly wanted to be dug. What's that? Knackered old penny. Might not get anything off that. Here. Let's have a look. Who is it? Hang on. God, that is absolutely shot. Nope, don't know. Right, let's carry on. I don't know what that is. It was a medium tone And the I'm just ignoring the XY screen because next to these electric fences the XY screen just goes crazy. So if you've got a Deus and you're near an XY screen, take no notice of it. I don't know, it's certainly nothing good, is it? Alright, let's carry on. This is quite a medium tone as well, but look at this massive lump of pottery in here. I don't know if you can see it. I don't think it's very old, but there's loads of bits of pottery up on this, just this section of the field, so it must have been dumped on at some point or while they dug a road or something. I think it's a farthing. Over here, looks in decent condition for a change. They're normally absolutely battered. This mud, I tell you what. Who's that? George the 6th, I think. Little wren farthing. Okie doke, let's carry on. Alright, so I'm about to walk back to my car. I feel like I've gone a good few hours without finding anything apart from that little badge, which you'll have seen what that is by now. So that's cheered me right up. So stick with me, I'm still going to put more videos out. I've got a new field to go to soon, so look out for that. If you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. Please like, please comment. I'll catch you later. If you're out, good luck.